Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Fuloris brand, men's and women's hiking boots. These are a slip-on design, and we're going to open them up. We're going to show you some of the features, then we'll try them on and show you how they work.
All right, so getting these open, they come nicely packed. I'll just show you. Each boot has a nice little cover, so if you want to store these after use, you can. They are a faux leather, just to clarify that, and really nice bend here, so there's some flexibility. I want to just show the kind of really nice non-slip grip here. Good size. This is going to be basically waterproof for the bottom here, and I believe part of the top. Really focused on outdoors. Inside, though, you don't remove that. This is a nice little memory foam in here, and so what we're going to do is we're going to get these tied up. I love the kind of the slip-on capabilities, so we're going to kind of figure that out and demonstrate that. So before we do that, I just want to show you again the size of the heel. Significant. So again, just trying to give you all the cosmetic features of this. Of course, you have a little finger here to kind of help with the slip-on process. The laces are not, they're kind of like, there's a lot of like duck boots and stuff like that that have kind of waterproof laces. These are not waterproof laces, but they are pretty soft. And then I believe there's the insole is removable as well, so just keep that into consideration, that it's pretty easy to take in and out for comfort and adjustability. And I do like how flexible this seems to be here at the top, not stiff in any way, shape, or form. So let's try them on and show you what they look like.
All right, so I got them on, and I'm just going to slip them off real quick, show you exactly. That I've got them double knotted, and they are pretty darn easy. Socks kind of come off a little bit when you do that, but I didn't go to the top here, as you can see, but I've got them, pretty comfortable and pretty easy to slide on and off, and they're both very simple and easy. So if this is the kind of slip-on design that you're looking for functionality-wise, it's pretty great. So I'm going to take them outside so you can see what they look like walking around, and we'll go from there. All right, so first I want to kind of explain what I'm replacing and what I meant by kind of those waterproof laces. So these are LL Beans that are, again, nice duck boots, and they're waterproof and everything like that, but they're a pain in the neck to get on and off, because once you tie these things, they don't move in any way, shape, or form, and they're very stiff and annoying to work with. But these are really, again, really nice looking, and let's take a little walk. And again, the nice part is being able to quickly take them off and to store them. Much easier than untying. So I absolutely love these. I highly recommend them, and definitely worth buying.